a groundbreaking player reshaping the tech sector with its revolutionary battery innovations. It's Amprius Technologies. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind their recent surge. Let's get started. Today, we're talking about Amprius Technologies, an innovative player in the tech startup realm. They're revolutionizing the landscape of energy storage solutions. So let's jump right in. We're going to discuss how they're amping up the market. Thomas, you recently wrote an article for MarketBeat on this very topic, so I know you're prepared to share with us. But we saw a recent surge in the stock price, and they're taking innovative strides in this tech sector. So fill us in and help us understand here, what are they all about, and what are the driving forces here?
Yeah, so Amprius Technologies is a battery company. They're making standard lithium-ion batteries, but it has a game-changing formula. They use a silicone anode design, which is industry leading and provides multiple advantages, including energy density, discharge rates, charge rates, and costs. It also reduces reliance on graphite, which has a problem with degradation. So just as a point of note, how do they stack up? Amprius powered cars took the top 4 spots at an important race in Australia last year, the Bridgestone World Challenge. That's a 3,000-mile transcontinental race across Australia, across some of the most challenging terrain in the world. And Amprius took the top 4 spots. That says a lot. The winners reported about 30% better capacity per pound, which means they got a longer range with less weight, allowing them to add other items they might need. In this scenario, they could have increased their battery size, gotten even more power, and outperformed at an even greater rate. So I think that the opportunity here is tremendous.
All right, and Thomas, you also reported in your article about the grand opening in Fremont, California. So that opening allows for production to be expanded by 10 times. So that's significant. And because that, we saw shares surge up more than 40% after that event. I mean, as much as 60% the week after Christmas. So what else is significant to highlight about this particular event for the company?
Well, it's a real vote of confidence, proof of concept. It allows the company to meet its existing demand and add new customers. It's also an important milestone on the path to the gigawatt capacity and showing their ability to scale. So it's just really amplified the market's confidence in this company's ability to continue going forward.
Okay, so their advanced lithium-ion EV battery, more battery density means a larger capacity and less space, longer battery life, and faster charging, right? So are there any other benefits that I'm missing here? Do you know how far ahead the company is? And does this give the company a wide moat beyond 2025?
Well, so the silicone anode removes the need for graphite in batteries. Graphite is required to stabilize the system, allowing for reliable charging and discharge. Graphite anodes have a tendency to break down by a chemical reaction and by mechanical processes. They degrade and can cause system failures. Silicone anodes are much more durable and provide a much longer lifespan and greater system reliability. So I think that ultimately, Amprius technology batteries or technology similar to them will overtake the entire battery industry.
You also mentioned in your article that virtually all of the company's business is dedicated to air transportation. In the company's investor presentation, it cites market and markets research that then cites there will be a 67 billion addressable market for EV batteries by 2025. How much of that might Amprius be able to get?
Well, so, they have other business besides aerospace, but their top customers are major aerospace companies, including Airbus and Teledyne FLIR. Um, and they've also listed several premier aviation companies as new clients, including including an eVTOL company, which could be Archer Aviation or Joby Aviation. Either one of those companies could become commercially viable within the next year or so, driving increased demand. But as far as the addressable market goes, it's like I said before, this is game-changing technology for batteries. So even if Amprius doesn't command the market, its technology or similar technology will overtake this market in time.
Mhm. Thomas, I did a little bit of pre-recording research, and I took a look at some of the company data on MarketBeat. So two things jump out to me here. First, institutional ownership is really low, but it's grown massively in 2023. And second thing is that short interest is also really low, particularly for a small cap stock like Amprius. So what should that say to retail investors who may want to take a position in this stock?
Well, let's say the short interest isn't all that low. It's about 5%. It's not astronomical, but this is down from the prior month. Short covering may have played a part in the rally last week. The short interest fell in December and could easily have fallen again following the grand opening of their facility in Fremont. Add in the Santa Claus rally, and I think that's why we had such a such a big rally.
All right, what else should investors know here? What are the analysts saying, and what is the chart looking like?
Right. So I think this is a pretty good looking chart. You have a clear head and shoulders bottom right here, and then a giant volume driven spike breaking above the neckline. Prices have pulled back a little bit, but we're already showing support at that neckline, which to me confirms the chance of a reversal. As far as the analysts go, the analyst's lowest price target is way up here at $10. So it looks like this stock could double within the next couple of months.
Well, it seems Amprius Technology is poised for an electrifying future with its battery tech. As Thomas shared with us today, the recent milestones and technology breakthroughs position this company for significant growth. Thank you, everyone, for watching us today. Thank you, Thomas, for sharing your insights with us. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis right here at MarketBeat. We'll talk soon.